Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to turn notifications on or off on Margex. To turn off and on the notification setting on your Margex app is super easy. Launch open the Margex application and log into your account first. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the little bell icon at the top right corner from the main homepage. You will be able to see all of your notifications on the page. You will not be able to turn on and off the notifications from this interface, so you'll need to go back and tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner from the home page. Inside the settings menu, scroll down to app settings and tap on notifications. You can then go ahead and turn on and off any notifications that you want to receive or don't want to receive. To receive notifications, you'll need to simply go ahead and toggle on the button and make sure all of the notification option is turned blue. To disable one of the notification settings, simply go ahead and toggle off the button right next to each options. For example, if you don't want to receive withdrawal notifications on your app, you can turn off the button right next to withdrawal. Similarly, if you don't want to receive them, you'll need to make sure that you've turned on the button and turned it to blue. Now for any options that has been turned blue on the page, you will receive notifications on the Margex app. So that is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.